Hey fam, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Roven 12-volt ceiling fan. It's lightweight, portable, has a super high RPM and it's 12-volt powered. So your fan will come in this box here, and there is a little bit of assembly you'll need to do, screwing the fan blades onto the fan body itself. It weighs a total of 750 grams, so it's super lightweight. The fan blades are 71 centimeters in diameter, so that's your circumference of the blade spinning there. And from the very top of this hook through to the base of the fan is 26 centimeters. Now it's important to note here that the fan is attached or suspended by this little hook with a silicone O-ring here. There's no ability for the fan to be screwed directly to the roof. It does have its power cable, which is fixed. It's not removable, to the top of the unit, and it's 3 meters long, running through to a single on and off switch. So there's not different speeds that you can move through, and it's attached to the power source via this 12-volt cigarette port. So I'm going to set it up, or I'm going to get power to it and get the fan cranking for you to have a look at it. So we've plugged that one in there, and I'm going to turn on the switch, get the fan cranking. Beautiful. So I've got this little piece of paper here that I've cut up into little bits, and as you can see, it's quite self-supporting there. So I'm going to put it under the fan and we'll see how much that is affected by it. All right, so obviously that's basically obliterating that piece of paper. The fan itself spins 272 RPMs, or revs per minute, which is quite surprising, and I personally am really impressed by what this fan is putting out here. So it doesn't come with an official power consumption rating, but what we can see on our little unit here is that the fan is consistently drawing 11 watts. So it's pretty safe to assume that your fan will draw no more than 1 amp hour. So one of the biggest questions that we've had here over the years is what fans can be mounted to your roof. The reality is not many in the range are suitable, but this answers all your questions. It's perfect for caravan, annexes, or even certain tents if you've got a safe place to mount it with a good clearance of head height. You can get this at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos.